Hi guys, today we are going to show you our 16 channel latest DVR, because a lot of people keep asking this question that whenever a new DVR comes in the market, please show the unboxing video and also the visit as well. So today we have the 16 channel DVR here, and this is the latest one. Let me show you the model number. So that's the model number here now, is iDS-7216HQHI-M2 XT. This latest one, and this one also support two-way audio as well. So soon you are going to get the two-way audio TVI cameras as well. So this DVR are going to support that as well. It's a future proof. Now let's see what is inside the box. Scan the QR code to download the app. Oh, that's good. You can scan the QR code if you want to download the app. Let's see what this DVR has inside, how it look like. The color this time looks black, yes, rather than gray. Okay, this is DVR. Okay, let's open this. That's a DVR. This time color is black. I'm not sure. Okay, and what is behind the DVR? Let's see. This DVR here now. And what comes with the DVR? This. Okay, let's open this. This DVR has the power supply or the UK cattle lead, but we're going to go UK one. This is European one, but doesn't matter in UK. And this is the hard drive lead for the hard drive. So because it has a two hard drive base, so we have a two hard drive here, cable for the two hard drive, and also SATA cable for the two hard drive, and comes with the mouse and the screws for the hard drive. That's the power supply. Okay, and what is inside? The information about the Pro and also a leaflet. Okay, so let's see what is behind this DVR. There's a 16 channel DVR. We have a 16 BNC port here as well, a 16, okay, and also has HDMI and a VGA, and two USB, one LAN port for the network. Okay guys, so this is and soon we are going to show you the visit video. Guys, so we have opened the 16 channel DVR now. So we are going to install the hard drive. This is our 4 terabyte hard drive, and we have a cable, the data cable for the hard drive and two SATA cable for the hard drive. Now we're going to install the hard drive. So you see how it looks. So we have to, okay, because we are installing only one hard drive, but because 16 channel DVR has two hard drives, so this is extra one for the extra hard drive. Okay, so we are going to install only one hard drive. That's the way. Once you insert these two cables inside, and then we have here for the hard drive two cables, one SATA, one data cable. Yeah, data cable. So we have a two hard drive. That's why we have a two connection for the SATA cable, and this one gets one power for two cable. Here, this cable gets the power. Okay, that's done. So simple installation. Now we have a hard drive screws as well, so we can going to fit the hard drive soon now. Okay, so they are perfectly matching here now, as you can see, these four holes. Okay, so that's done now. Simple. You can see the hard drive now. Okay, the hard drive is now. So as I said, this DVR can take two hard drives, so we can install one more hard drive, use one more SATA cable. So in future, customer wants to add the one more hard drive, so we will leave the SATA cable here as well, and the cable here as well. Okay guys, simple one. Just we are going to cover this now. Very simple. Then we will join you soon. Hi guys, so this is second part. We just showed you the unboxing of the 16 channel DVR. Now we'll show you how the DVR look like. So we have plugged the DVR, power the DVR, and this screen will appear at first. So you need to select the region first. So we are going to select United. So U and I, as you can see here, simple. And English okay, time zone, that looks okay to me. Date format is okay, system DST is good. That's the best feature about this DVR because DST is enabled. As you can see, March last Sunday 1 and the end is October last Sunday 2. That's perfect, that's good. And we'll go next. So now you need to enter the password. So make sure whatever the password you're entering or typing, remember that. Keep it aside. Okay, let's try. One. You can click here so you know what you're typing, what you're entering, so you can see read as well. So no chance of mistake. Exactly, I'm going to do it here as well. Three, two, one. Once it's done, password hint, whatever you like, you can give like name or whatever. Let's say put our name, or you can skip as well. And then the pattern, unlock pattern, you have a choice. So make sure always do this as well. So you have a choice, either you can put the password, enter the password, or you can unlock the pattern. Okay, you can decide whichever pattern you like. So we are making pattern L right now. So but you can design your own pattern. Okay, once this is done, then do activate. Now time zone perfect, date is okay, system date is okay, system time seems okay as well. And then go next and enable the DHCP because you want to see the device remotely. So we need to connect this to our internet. So I'm going to plug the cable now. So make sure DHCP on. Once this is done, go next and then initialize the hard drive. We have installed the 4 TB hard drive. So you can see the capacity showing, but system has some memory as well. So that's why it's showing 3726. Okay, so you select this one and this initialize. Okay, not now, leave it. Initialize. Okay, so this way you know your hard drive is okay or not. Once it's done 100% showing normal, that means your hard drive is perfect. So otherwise you will hear this beeping noise. So that means the system is asking initialize the hard drive or hard drive is missing. Once we initialize the hard drive showing 100%, the beeping noise will disappear. Okay, so 48%, 50. And let me tell you the model number, we will mention our description as well, but this is iDS-7216HQHI-M2-XT. So this DVR support two-way audio cameras as well, but currently we have no two-way audio camera in the market in UK, but once they will arrive, so this DVR will support. So this DVR is like a future proof, and this DVR also support up to 5 megapixel cameras as well. Okay, nearly 78% done. So but we suggest better wait 100% then move next. So this way you know your hard drive is fine, no issue with the hard drive. So let's say 89, 90, 100, that's perfect. So we go next. Okay, so because this DVR can take some IP cameras as well. So in our building we have some IP cameras, you can see them here at the bottom, you can add them, but right now I'm not adding any IP camera. So we'll go next. And because you want to see your DVR remotely, your camera remotely, so you have to enable this connect service. So we're going to enable this as well, and then go through the term and condition. Okay, just go through, and once you've gone through the term and condition, just click here and then do OK. And now your status is online. Why? Because we have connected a cable from the network LAN to our router. Okay, so that's why it stays showing online. And bind status no, because this DVR is not connected to anybody's account, so that's why showing no. Once you scan the QR code, make sure whenever you scan this QR code, switch off your Wi-Fi. So once you scan the QR code, device will be added to your account, and the status showing no should be showing yes. Okay, because it's connected to your account. Now the verification code, as you can see here, but is very hard to remember, so something easy to remember. So always type that verification code, enter, which you can easily remember. So I'm going to change this now. So something which I remember, I'm going to type here now. One, let's see whether it allows me to this much character. Okay, so this way I can easily remember. This is my password as well, and also verification. Okay, then we go next. The new verification code is only valid for videos afterward. Oh, that's perfect. No issue at all. We close it now. And these are just for security reasons. You can reserve your email address or you can answer whatever you like. But let me put A here right now. but you can do whatever you want, whichever you like. So okay, then we will finish. That's the main wizard for this, but we'll go one by one. Let's see something new here or not. Just go to the menu. Let me show you once you log out. Okay, so how we can log in back. Okay, okay, menu, because we have a pattern, so let's try with the pattern. Okay, this way you can log in again. And now go to the configuration. We see the network setting, whether our DVR is online or not. Just go to the network, platform access. As you can see, status showing online, and we'll check again our verification code. Here you can see. And the camera setting, live view, once you connect the camera, then you can see. Right now I can't think of anything, but that's all intelligent search. You can see once you connect the cameras, then you can see picture library as well. That's the main interface of the DVR. Let's try this one. Here you can restore to inactive. Okay, and here you can see the model number. Okay, and the serial number, model number of the camera, sorry, DVR. And here you can restore to factory default if you want. Okay, you can do that as well. And HiConnect service, if you scan this, so scan the QR code to download HiConnect app and add the device and download. If you want to upgrade your firmware, you can do it from here as well. And then from here you can reboot, shut down, or log out. You have a choice. Okay, so live view, playback, simple search, configuration. Guys, that's all. I can't think of anything, but that's the main one, XT. And once we connect the camera, then we can see. Right now at the moment, as I said, no two-way audio camera in the market, so we can't connect. But if you connect the normal camera, we can see the live view playback. So that's all for the time being, guys. Thanks for watching our video, and hope to see you soon with no more another video.